Dietary changes to aid in healing peptic ulcers. Welcome to the video guys, I hope you are doing excellent. The function of diet in the treatment and resolution of peptic ulcers is critical. Specific dietary modifications may aid in symptom relief and facilitate recovery. The subsequent recommendations concern dietary modifications that promote the healing of peptic ulcers. 1. Foods to avoid. It is essential to refrain from consuming foods that can aggravate or cause ulcer symptoms. Spicy foods, citrus fruits, stimulants, alcoholic beverages, and oily or seared foods are examples. A diet low in acidity and simple on the stomach is preferable. 2. Fiber intake. Increasing fiber intake may provide advantageous effects in the management of peptic ulcers. Fiber-dense foods, including legumes, fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, can aid in regulating gastrointestinal movements and reducing inflammation in the digestive tract. 3. Consume probiotics. Furthermore, consuming probiotic-rich foods, such as yogurt containing live cultures or probiotic supplements, may facilitate the healing of ulcers and promote a healthy gastrointestinal microbiome. 4. Consume smaller meals. Additionally, consuming smaller meals throughout the day is critical instead of larger ones, which can strain the gastrointestinal lining. By thoroughly chewing your food, you can promote digestion and inhibit excessive acid production. 5. Stay hydrated. Adequate hydration through the consumption of copious amounts of water is critical for sustaining optimal digestive health and facilitating the absorption of nutrients from food. Peptic ulcers can be effectively managed by implementing these dietary modifications in conjunction with appropriate medical intervention, all under the supervision of a qualified professional.